Here we have a 1996 Starcraft. I bought for 200 bucks. Redoing the roof. The pop-up roof is rotted out, leaking. Cut the side off. We gotta open up the front piece and the back piece. It seems that the only piece on the top that's any good is the left side panel. It's still solid. Overall, the thing is in great shape. All the camping accessories are like new. The floor is like new. And the tires are still like new. So the damage that the roof sustained didn't get passed on to the rest of it, and that's why it's worth doing. That's why we're doing it. Hoping to get this done by the end of next week so we can start using it. Everybody's excited about it. And I'll take some more video when we get some more stuff done. Bye.